Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. I'm starting off this video kind of late, so I was planning on not filming a video today, but Amazon hit me up with the notification that some of the parts, well actually the spacers for the 240 that's inside, they're gonna be here today. So I was like, fuck it, why not? Let's make a video for the broskies. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these cats and trade them in for cash. These cats came in the $900 350Z. I believe it has test pipes right now. So the dude that had the car before, he took off the catalytic converters, which are there, and he put test pipes on the cars. I'm so glad he left them in the car because right now I'm gonna turn them into cash. So we are planning on selling our X5 maybe in March. Leave me some car suggestions down in the comments below. What family car should we get? Alright, broski, so I'm driving home and I just got a call from my doctor and we got some really good news. They gave me like a whole checkup again and he told me that all my levels, like the sugar, the cholesterol, everything is normal. And yeah, he just told me like to keep my diet on, do not drink, and basically eat 3 to 5 times a day, you know, when I'm supposed to. But yeah, broskis, I was like scared. I'm like, fuck, what is he gonna tell me? He's gonna tell me I'm gonna die soon. But I guess yeah, broskis, we good, we healthy. All my homies that drink, stay away because se me antoja una pinche cheve, la neta. Alright, broski, so I'm still waiting on the spacers for the car, but check her out. We're marking up the hood, the fenders, and then what else? Oh, I guess in the past I never drilled the holes for the fenders, the little bolts that go through here. So we gotta drill some holes on the fender, and then we're gonna line it up, make it line up perfectly fine, so we can work on the front tube probably tomorrow or the next. But angle kit is on. I forgot to show it to you guys last video. Angle kit is on. The height is pretty high right now, but we're not gonna adjust it till I get the spacers. Pinche UPS is taking forever. They should be here in like in an hour, and then probably in a couple more hours we're gonna go pick up some parts for compa Chris. He's gonna start stacking up them parts for his 240. Remember, he has a 240 now, so he's gonna start stacking up while we finish this car, and then we're gonna get his car going too. Yeah. Chingon. Yeah, so we can really see if the hood is too high or if it's just the fenders that are sagging. Yeah, because the hood right now, I think the fenders are sagging. We think the hood is too high right now, pero it could also be because of the fenders. Look, see that gap right there? So, but first we gotta mount them from the bottom and from this side right here. It's a process, broskies. It takes a while. And then Christian is a perfectionist, so he doesn't like shitty jobs. I don't care. I don't mind. Fuck it. You know, if the door opens, I'm good. Like, see right now, when I used to open the door, it used to hit the fender, and now he fixed it. So, che, Chris es cabrón, mi compa Chris. So now right now, this gap on the fender, it's bothering him. So he's like, okay, let's just fix the fenders, cause can't let his homie roll around like that with them gaps. Ahora me quedé atorado, güey. Atorado, güey. This gap right here. Oh yeah. Okay. You can get the shaver. Alright, so this side is pretty much done. Side skirt is on. It's nice and fitted, nice and lined up. Chingón. Chingon. We're waiting for you, bro. Shout out to the homie right here. That was actually a girl, way.
No way.
Yeah, we.
Hey, let me get the
Chingon.
It's right there. Next to you.
Amazon for the win. Pinches 2 days de volada llegaron estas madres, güey.
Days?
Yeah, I ordered them on Saturday, remember? Yeah, we were working on it Saturday.
Yeah.
Today's Monday. They here. Just in time. Hub centric for the win. Alright, let's take these wheels off. It's way better. It's a little.
Still think with 30s would have been good.
30?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I think it's fine, güey.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like almost there, güey. Oh, si no le quitamos camber también.
Oh, we can do it to the top.
Oh, yeah, through the top I can push it back. Yeah. Ah, huevo. Mijo. Mijo. Because look at it before. It was way too much. Way too much before. Look.
Anyways.
Too much. Maxi flush. Looking better and better. Every day. So right now we're just gonna get rid of that gap. No mames. Your grandma's cat can sleep in there. We're gonna push the coilover out a little bit so we can get the perfect fitment. The perfect fitment. Alright, broskies, I think we got the right height right here. Now I'm just gonna measure this coil over and then transfer it to this one to get the same height on this side. Alright, somehow this one is lower. I think the preload is stiffer on the passenger side. And then right here is a lot weaker. That's why it went down more. Alright, right on the money. That's the height we're looking for. That fucking hood though.
Yeah.
I guess once we put the bumper on, it'll line up pretty good. But the fenders are on point. Figment is on point. Both sides are the same. Check it out. Ya nomás. Chingon. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. So we're gonna make sure the car is leveled up. If so, we can probably start working on the front tube tomorrow or the next day.
Or the day after.
Or the day after, or next week, or next month. Just kidding. Nah, I think we're doing fucking good progress, way. Little by little, way.
Yeah.
Little by little. You guys better leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think so far. But we mocked up the front end. So now the next step for the next time we work on it, we can start working on the front tube and then go from there. But the car is looking pretty fresh. Sí o no, Chris? Sí o sí? Sick.
Just put those wheels on now, and it's like it never happened. With.
Yeah, just put those wheels, polish them up, and it's like we went 3 years back in time. Obviously with the smaller motor now, but with a better driver. Ah, chingo. Yeah, chingo. Just kidding. I still suck, güey. Ah, pinche Chris like that, güey. Doubting me,
I'm
güey.
kidding, güey. Ah, te digo.
No, con esos compas. But yeah, broskis, I think we're gonna wrap it up right here. We're gonna go get some parts for compa Chris. Chingon. He's gonna start stacking up.
Little by little.
Yeah, so when this thing's done, we tackle his car fast and then
Should be a little faster though.
yeah.
I'm not gonna do all that up front.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, your shit's straight way from the front. My shit
I
will.
don't think I'm gonna do all that. If it doesn't need it, I'm not.
Yeah. I should have just left it like that way, but before I didn't think I was gonna go SR way. If I knew I was gonna go back SR way, I would have just left it like that. Yeah, cause it had a nice front end, nice radiator support. It was perfect. But I thought I was gonna go back RB, so I'm like, oh, let's fucking chop the front end like a fucking dumbass. Pero pues ni pedo. I mean, we're already here.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, might as well, pues ya que chingados. But yeah, the car's looking pretty good. I like it. I could already see it, wey. I could already picture myself, wey. Ahí, wey. En putiza, pinche troquita, wey. Chingon. Alright, fuck it. Let's clean up and then let's go get those parts.
Bronze, flat bronze color.
Alright, we're just waiting on the guy to bring the drugs. We got the money. There it is. There it is. Vamos a ver qué dice el compa. Chingue su madre. Okay, on my way. Said he's on his way. ¿Será este compa de aquí? Oh, I think the little homie's here. At 180 though. A rato así vamos a andar, Chris.
Hey.
I think.
Later.
Sick ass whip. Ya nomás. Chingón. Package acquired.
Well, they're not that lightweight.
Oh, espérame. My bad.
Oh, shit.
Échalo arriba, no hay pedo. El todo anda en la caja. So, what do we get? 10 portion autos? Nah.
Yeah.
Got Megan like daddy. Like papi.
Alguien con unos.
Let's check out his SR swap. Broski's al rato. We're gonna be out like this. Sick. Yes. It's pretty clean. So with your cover?
Well, I don't think I bolted it down.
Oh shit, it's falling off.
Yeah, it's probably just on there, yeah.
Ya nomás.
Yeah, it's the heated engine bay. It's both stock.
Oh yeah?
I got all new grommets. All these are brand new. Just all the little fucking details and shit. The only thing I need to just think the valve cover now.
Is it reliable like in the street?
Yeah? I mean, I finished the swap maybe like 2-3 months ago already. I haven't had any issues. The only thing I gotta figure out is I think I have some vacuum leaks that I gotta figure out.
Okay.
It's running a little ridge, so I think I just gotta mess with it a little bit.
It's not tuned or anything, stock ECU?
It's stock ECU and everything. I probably just gotta mess with the fuel pressure regulator, drop the fuel pressure a little bit.
Oh yeah. It looks like at 40 something, way 42 there.
What's it supposed to be at, like 40?
Like 35, 38.
Oh, really?
38, yeah.
Shit. Yeah, I gotta drop it.
So it's a little high.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
pretty.
I can smell the fuel a little bit.
Yeah. And it's idling a little too high, no?
Yeah, it is. Gotta keep working on it.
Little by little, huh?
Yeah, little by little.
Fuck it. Let's go. Alright, bro.
guys.
Thanks so much.
Nice meeting you guys.
Later.
Take care, man.
Let's get the fuzz out of here. Ahí va el 240 papi. It says on his license plate 240 papi. Papi. Dope, we made it home, broskis. Whew. Sorry, midnight. I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.